Forget ordinary fried rice. This one is loaded with flavor and topped with irresistibly crispy chopped chicken. It's crunchy, savory, satisfying, and so delicious. You might never want regular fried rice again. Start by marinating 300 grams of chicken with 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour for that crispy lightness, 1 egg white for the same purpose, 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Mix this with a little bit of water and set this aside to marinate while you prep the remaining ingredients. That's onion, garlic, green chili, capsicum, cabbage, and we have 5 tablespoons each of carrots and beans finely sliced that have been steamed before we start cooking. We also have 2 cups of cooked basmati. It's been cooled and you fluff it up before you start the cooking process. To a cool, large wok, add 4 tablespoons of oil and then bring it to smoking. Please pay attention to all the small tips in this video. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of finely minced garlic. Saute briefly, we don't want the color to change. Add in 1 chopped onion and saute again for about 10 seconds. Slightly softened, and then add in 3/4 of a cup of sliced green capsicum and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green chili. Now I'm using mild green chili, so no, this fried rice is not going to be spicy, but the green chili adds flavor. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir this through. Once those capsicum slices are slightly tender, we're going to add 3/4 to 1 cup of shredded cabbage, large shreds here, and then just give it a toss and we can add in the rice. But here, we're going to add a little bit of rice at a time. So you add a little bit of rice, give it a nice toss in the wok, more rice, toss it up again, and make sure here that you're using the highest heat possible and that you stir fry really quickly. So it's a little bit of rice at a time and you keep on stir frying to mix in those ingredients. You can see the color changes, so keep doing that till all your rice is finished. Those with a nice strong wrist can tilt the wok and lift it up and down so that the rice gets fried. We're making fried rice here, so it needs to be fried. At this stage, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep on tossing, lift, and toss. So you can shake the pan along with using your spatula to stir the rice. At this stage, once the rice is fried well, we're going to add in those steamed vegetables. You can add as much of the steamed vegetables as you like. You don't have to add the entire amount. And keep on tossing the wok until those vegetables are mixed through. Adding those steamed vegetables ensures that your fried rice is never dry. Next, we're going to beat up those eggs with salt and pepper to taste. And we have another wok here and it's heating up with 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the egg and let it set a while before you start to nicely scramble it. Spread the egg around the wok before you start to scramble. Just let it set a bit. So you really need to fry the egg. We want that aroma of the fried egg to come across before we add in the cooked rice from before. And again, at this stage, we're going to add a little bit of rice at a time. A little bit of rice, keep on tossing. A little bit of rice, keep on tossing until all that fried rice is used up. Again, make sure you're doing this on the highest heat possible, and adding that little bit of rice at a time is how you build the flavor of the fried rice. Now at this stage, I've got some hot oil and we're going to fry that marinated chicken. Once the chicken is fried, add it over the fried rice and chop the chicken pieces up so that you get nice small bite-sized pieces. Stir it through once again and garnish with some spring onion greens. So your crispy chicken fried rice is ready. I hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time with the next one. Bye.